that retail sectors is facing a huge disruptions as they rarely see before or they never see before. I can see that there will be a huge change in technology and the end customer will be easier to reach out at no time. So traditionally, we open the store at 10 in the morning, we finish at 8 p.m. in the evening, depending where you live, and that will be it. You cannot reach the customer otherwise. Now with e-commerce and the new wave of technology, the age of smartphone, customer can be reached at any times. And with the wave of social media, the people looking on social media now, using that platform will be another booster to be able to reach out our prospect. I can see that the traditional art sale that we've seen in the past is no longer going to be. People are looking for to build a relationship with their brand, their favorite product. They are going to consult, look after the competition and read the product descriptions and so on, and look at their favorite influencer to read about it. So the best way for them to engage will be to build up a relationship with their customer. Then I can see a big disruption in light of the technology. The retailer will need to be agile and flexible. Whatever project they build up today, all the requirements they put together is changing as they write it down. So they need to build up a platform and a model where they will be able to be agile and change as the market changes to better suit their audience base. So that's what I can see easily in the 5 coming years on the retail industry. And that looks to be really promising and engaging, really. So the benefit that I've just expressed is as well a challenge. How retailers will be able to adapt to the market, how they are going to scale into another market. So we can see that one of the benefits of the age we are seeing, it is easier to reach out more markets using e-commerce. We've seen Alibaba coming recently and having a big market growth in Europe, and you can see the competition with others. But how retailers will be able to compete, how they will be able to adopt, how they will be able to adjust with the level of technology that it is required, that the audience is requiring now, to be able to have a better value proposition. Are we going to have small retailers hiring a team of scientists and to build up their own technology, or are they going to use third-party vendors or help to be able to do that more effectively? And that's changing all the time. Is it worth investing into a platform that will be rigid and sturdy, or do I need to have something that will be agile? There will be some cost implications related to that. Back then, we've seen a lot of retailers investing a lot on retail through desktop. Is desktop going to be the futures? We see more and more people using mobile nowadays. Does that mean it is the end of desktop? Of course not. People will probably start their shopping experience on mobile, finish on desktop evening times, or vice versa. Overall, we need to make sure that retailers will be able to have an omni-channel strategy. They will be able to have the great technology to adopt that, but at the top of all, we'll be able to adapt and adjust according to the change of their market.